If you're serious about electronics repair, choosing the right hot air soldering station can save you time, improve precision, and make every repair look professional. Today on Global Deal Explorer, we're counting down the top 5 hot air gun soldering stations of 2026. From budget-friendly workhorses to professional-grade repair stations trusted by experienced technicians. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 5 is the JCD 8898, a practical and affordable 2-in-1 soldering station designed for beginners and DIY electronics enthusiasts. Its powerful 750-watt hot air gun heats up quickly, making it ideal for removing SMD components, repairing smartphone boards, and working on delicate electronics. The included soldering iron delivers consistent temperature control for precision soldering, while the easy-to-read digital display allows you to monitor settings in real time. Compact, reliable, and easy to operate, the JCD 8898 offers excellent value for anyone building their first electronics workstation. At number 4 is the versatile T12 soldering station with the 858 hot air gun. One of its biggest advantages is the T12 heating technology, allowing the soldering iron to reach working temperature in just a few seconds. Its intelligent auto sleep function helps extend tip life while reducing power consumption during idle periods. Combined with a 700-watt hot air system, this station offers excellent flexibility for repairing laptops, game consoles, drones, and consumer electronics. It's an outstanding choice for hobbyists looking to upgrade without overspending. Taking third place is the Kaisi 8512P, a feature-rich repair station designed for users who demand greater precision. Its integrated 700-watt hot air system pairs perfectly with the responsive T12 soldering iron, providing stable temperatures even during demanding repair sessions. The bright digital display makes monitoring both tools simple, while the ergonomic handles remain comfortable during extended use. Whether you're replacing charging ports, repairing motherboards, or performing detailed SMD work, the Kaisi 8512P delivers dependable performance at an attractive price. Our runner-up is the impressive BK602 Pro, built for users who need professional-level performance. One standout feature is its compatibility with C115, C210, and C245 heating systems, giving technicians the flexibility to tackle everything from ultra-fine soldering to high-power applications. Its advanced temperature control delivers stable heat throughout long repair sessions, while the efficient hot air blower ensures even airflow for safe component removal. For experienced repair professionals, this station strikes an excellent balance between power, precision, and versatility. Claiming the number 1 spot is the outstanding Kaisi 8521P. With an impressive 800-watt hot air system, this station delivers rapid heating and powerful airflow for demanding repair jobs. Support for C115, C210, and C245 soldering tips gives users incredible flexibility across precision electronics, smartphone repairs, laptop servicing, and advanced PCB rework. Its modern digital interface, fast thermal recovery, and professional-grade build quality make it one of the most capable all-in-one soldering stations available in 2026. If you're looking for maximum performance without stepping into premium industrial pricing, the Kaisi 8521P is our top recommendation. Those are our picks for the top 5 hot air gun soldering stations of 2026. You'll find links to every product in the description below to help you compare features and current pricing. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Global Deal Explorer, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tech deals and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.